Hey dear, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn on new followers on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Click on the profile, move on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now click on notifications here. You can see here new followers. You can turn it on. When you have to turn it on, it appears in the blue color. It means that your new followers can follow you and you can follow the others on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.